Hello friends, welcome to Skyland Education, the education hub. India is the 7th largest country in the world and also the second populous. It lies in the southern Asia. India is governed by a parliamentary form of government. It gets very difficult to manage the large country from one place. So, Indian constitution give right to the central government to make states as it feels suitable. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India as of April 2020. In this video, we have covered the list of Indian states, union territories and their capitals. Let's start the video. Ladakh. The capital of Ladakh is Leh. Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Rajasthan. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Haryana. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Delhi. The capital of Delhi is New Delhi. Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Goa. The capital of Goa is Panji. Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Mizoram. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The capital of all these union territories is Daman. Lakshadweep. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kamravati. Puducherry. The capital of Puducherry is Puducherry. Andaman and Nicobar Island. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Chandigarh. The capital of Chandigarh is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory and also the capital of two states, Punjab and Haryana. Here I have mentioned the list of states, union territories and their capitals. Thanks for watching this video.